I like to keep my tyre pressures correct, but it's always a bit of a pain to have to ride to a servo to get the tyre pressures pumped up. And by the time I get there, the tyres have warmed up as well. So I'm not setting the pressures at cold the way they're supposed to be. So I've lashed out and bought a Ryobi 18-volt battery-powered pump. I've already got other Ryobi tools, and the battery is the same one that fits the pump. These things aren't cheap, but correct tyre pressures at the start of the ride is worth it. You simply set the desired pressure, and for high pressure pump you use the right hand side. It's got a nice clip-on type arrangement, nice and positive. And on the left hand side it's got a high volume low pressure pump if you want to pump up airbeds and stuff. Because it's a completely self-contained battery powered unit, it only takes a matter of seconds to pump the tyres up to the correct pressure. The pump stops as soon as the correct pressure is achieved, so it's really easy. Just clamp it on, press the button, and Bob's your uncle. But how long does this pump take to pump up a tyre from flat? And will the battery hold up? Okay, that's completely flat, so I'll stick the valve back in and we'll give it a pump and we'll time it at the same time. Righty then, clip on the pump, get the trusty phone out and start it when the pump starts. Yes, that's right, I've sped up the video so you don't have to wait around watching it in real time. Well, there you go, that was pretty quick, just under 2 minutes to pump it up to 36 psi from flat. Of course, you can also use the unit to just see what the tyre pressure is. But I find it just as easy to clamp the thing on the tyre and turn it on and wait till it's up to pressure. Because even testing a tyre pressure you can lose half a pound. Let's see how much battery all that used. Look at that, it's not showing that it's used any. At nearly $100 this thing isn't cheap, but I think it's worth it. The pain of the price fades quickly, but quality lingers on.